Hello, my name is John Giantasio. I want to make this video real quick with some tips and tricks to help you guys with your online presence and bring in some more consistent traffic throughout the year. So without further ado, I'll get right into it. So I did a search for you guys on the web, and I'm not quite sure if this is you guys or not. Um, it looks like you guys. So what I'm going to kind of show you is your competitors, what they're doing, how you can kind of copy them and siphon off some of their traffic. So these guys, Fletch Window Tinting, they're over there in San Antonio like you guys, and I don't think they're mobile like you guys, so you definitely have an advantage there to rank for multiple areas. But there's three ways to get yourself up on the top of Google, and that's by having a map pack, a Google map pack, and a website that ranks to the top. So the way to get up there is by content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything on a website word related like this, pictures, and what they're saved as. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage, and the reason for this is so that you can fit in buyer intent keywords such as window tint San Antonio, Texas, window tinters near me, not window tinters near me, but one keywords like that, and to provide value for the user. So Google likes to provide the most value for the user searching, so the more valuable content you have on your website, the higher up on the search results Google is going to put you. So Wikipedia, they always show up if you search pretty much anything non-service related. And the reason for that is because they have just thousands and thousands of words of content just blasting at the user, and that's why Google puts them up. And the second reason is backlinks, which is a mention of your website inside of another website via clickable links or whatever. So, uh, Wikipedia also has a lot of those. If you haven't noticed, all those blue highlighted words, those are websites pointing from Wikipedia back to others and others back to Wikipedia, telling Google that, hey, this is a trusted website. So not all backlinks are created equal, so you can't put yourself inside, let's say, Pizza Hut, because Pizza Hut is a pizza place and you're a window tinting place. Google actually reads content on a website, so if it's reading about how to make a pizza and then it's reading about how to tint the window, it can even mark you spam because they're not related. You're going to put yourself in anything car related and stuff like that. That's going to boost you higher up on Google, and you won't need as many links. The more powerful, the more niche related your links are, the higher up you'll go without having so many. So the last one is citations. So citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number throughout directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, Houzz, Thumbtack. There's about 1,000 other ones out there, but you want to go in all the local directories. You want to go and see what all these guys are doing right here. So you want to be in this map pack. And in my personal experience and what I've learned from working with window tinters is that if you're not in this map pack, you're missing out on most of the business because people aren't going on Facebook to find a window tinter. If they are, they're generally looking for a cheap one. So they're going here, they're searching in words like this, window tinter near me or window tinter San Antonio, stuff like that. And these guys up here are the ones that are going to be popping up and people are going to be clicking on them. If you came here, who would you click? Most people will probably click Fletch because they have 30 plus years of service, almost 300 reviews. They have a cool looking website. Like, there's no reason why you wouldn't go with them. Oh, where was I? So yeah, you want to go in and find the citations that they have and get the exact same ones plus a few more. So you don't want to just you don't want to just match them, you want to beat them. And then obviously once you're up ranked, you want to get these reviews up. You want to get as many reviews as you possibly can. And you want to add pictures to your GMB. So right down here, these guys have about 60 pictures. You want to add 100. And then you want to be very active on your GMB. So if you click here, they have the questions and answers on a GMB. You want to go in and see right here. No one asked a question here, but that's how you can kind of beat them is that questions that most clients ask you, go in here and ask it yourself, and then you can answer it yourself. So that way when someone searches on your profile, they can see it. And then obviously the next one is commenting on reviews. The more active you are in Google, the more posting you're doing on Google, the higher up on the search results you're going to go. because Google likes seeing active users. So yeah, citation is just a name, address, and phone number throughout directories. You want to get as many as possible. You want to get as local as possible, and then you want to get the backlinks and then the content on your website. So you have this Google, I'm sure you have a map pack. I can't find it, but I mean, if you have one of these, you must have a Google business page because you can't make one of these without one. But that just shows you that you're non-existent because I found you by searching your exact name, and I found you down here. And typically, a map pack always shows up if it's ranking. So I know there's a lot of people with your name. If you take Texas out, there's these guys over in Los Angeles. Um, Sometimes that can confuse Google by having the same name as multiple other people. But I have this tool called Ahrefs. It tells you what's going on in the background of a website. Fletch is currently bringing in 1.1 thousand people a month on their website. And this tool is not 100% accurate. It could be bringing up to 10 times that amount. So they have 800 backlinks. So it wouldn't even be hard to beat these guys out. But they're bringing in a lot of traffic. These other guys over here at Tint World, they're bringing about 600. Yelp, where are they? Yelp. Yelp is bringing in almost 800 people a month. See these guys? Yelp, they're just selling leads back to people like you. All you need to do is get yourself right here. See, these guys are almost there, Tint World, but Yelp is still beating them. But if a directory is on the top, it's usually pretty easy to beat out because directories are ranking for millions of keywords, and it's pretty easy to steal a couple from them. But let me show you an example of what a keyword is and the search volume is getting. So right here is San Antonio window tint, 1,000 searches a month. It's pretty crazy. And then here's another one. Here's another one. Where is it? Windshield repair. Window tinting near me gets 700 searches. Window tinting San Antonio, Texas gets 200. There's just all these keywords in there that are getting high search volume, and the competition is not very high. See, KD means between 0 and 100, how many people trying to compete. Anything under 10 is typically pretty easy to rank for. So, yeah, you can take these tips and tricks and do them yourself if you like. If you need some help, I can gladly help you. Just let me know what you think about this video. God bless.